Okay, so problem number 4, Chapter 8, Quiz Access. This one is asking us to do a straight line depreciation. So let's read the question first. Determine the machine's second year depreciation and year-end book value under the straight line method. All right, so with that said, we're going to probably, since it's a second year depreciation, we're going to want to do a full depreciation schedule, amortization schedule, and then figure this out. So let's go ahead and pull up Excel real quick. And what we want to do is do like a cost of equipment. We want to do, this has, I think, salvage value in it. So let's just go ahead and have a salvage value. And then say net depreciable value. And then we're going, so this is going to be 84,200. And depreciation salvage 6,000. Oops. Salvage, where's my Excel? Salvage is 6,000. So we're going to do total minus salvage. And then we're going to have useful life. It's 20 years. And that's going to give us an annual depreciation. This is going to be the net divided by that. Now what we can do is do years beginning depreciation and then ending. Okay, and we can do 1, 2, 3. Should be able to just carry these all the way down. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. There we go, 10, right? Beginning is going to be this number, the net depreciable value. And this is going to be the annual depreciation. We're going to do an F4 and we're going to fix that. And then the ending is going to be the plus the beginning minus the depreciation. And the beginning is going to be the ending. Now we can take this and copy it down. And we can take this and copy it down, which I just double clicked on the little thing and it added it all the way down there. And then I can take this, surprisingly, and double click it as well. No, I can't. Why doesn't it do it? Oh, because I need to do 20 years. Let's see. Let's go down to, no, let's go down to 20. Just for the heck of it. Just make sure all the math is working. We're going to take this, do an F2 and then Control Enter. And we're going to do this, an F2 and Control Enter. And we're going to do this and a F2 and a Control Enter. Okay, so that gets us down to 0. Yep. Okay, so now come back here. Let's move this over so we can see both and enter the values. Where's Excel? Right there. All right, so now we should be able to fill this out. So this is going to be cost minus salvage, which is, this is just this value right here. Okay, so that's 78,200. And then we're going to do it over its useful life. That's going to be 20. And that should give us an annual depreciation number, 3910, which is the same. And so the second year depreciation is the same. And then the end of year 2 is going to be this other number, 7380, right? It is asking for the end of year 2. There we go. All right. Now let's just check our work, make sure that's all good. Oh, because I didn't do 5? Probably. Oh. What is this asking for? Year-end book value. Oh, yeah. My bad. So while this is the numerator and denominator stuff, year-end book value is actually going to start from the cost of the equipment because we're just only depreciation. Depreciation is based on the salvage value, but the actual value of the equipment going down is based on cost of the equipment. So let's change this to the cost of equipment. And now we should have the revised number, this number that they're looking for. And this is the other number that they were looking for, right? Okay, so at 36, let's go back over here, return to question. Everything else the same except for this one, which should be now 6,000 higher, so 76,380. Okay, so let's check our work for 4. And we are good. Okay, so that's how we get to number 4. Now number 5, which is linked to this one, so we'll do both 4 and 5 together. It's asking, this is based on units of production. So determine the machine's second year depreciation unit using the units of production method. Now, this one we'll just keep here, and let's do units of production. Okay, now it's going to have the same net depreciable value, but in this case we've got a total of, let's do it useful life. Let's do, let's just have this down here. Keep it on the same level. Okay, so units of production is 39,100. And so annual depreciation is going to be based on the net depreciable value divided by the units of production estimated for the full 20 years. Okay, so it's 0.2. And then this year, the second year, units, and this was 33,100. So now we can take that 33,100 times the 0.2. Okay, that's what it should be. Now let's go check our work. So the same thing here, cost minus salvage. This one's going to be total units of production. This one still has the 78,200 divided by, this is going to be 39,100. And so it's going to give us a units of production. Oh, I got that wrong. 139,123. Okay, so 0.2. Once again, a great place to check our work because I had 2 here and I was like, that's not right. And this is 0.2, so I knew something was a little wrong. So now I can come back here, depreciation. Let's put this in at 33,100, and this should be 6620. Okay, let's check our work. Okay, answer is complete. That is problems 4 and 5.